In information technology, what we are seeing is the literacy in employability skills, because employability skills needs a lot of say expertise, especially in IT. So the expansion of ROM is read only memory. Read only memory. The answer is read only memory. B is the answer. So this is how the ROM looks. Let me tell you, RAM is what we call as the main memory, and ROM is the stable memory, that is, data will be saved, and this is hardwired programmed. So when your program boots up, before the operating system gets control, it can be POST, power on self test, or booting. All this is done through or via this read only memory only. So RAM, whenever the power is there, it will contain data, otherwise, it will not have the data. The expansion of WAN, wide area network. This is a type of network. So let me just explain you here that initially, if we have certain, say, PC, laptop, all these we want to connect. So it is personal area network, then it becomes, in a premises, it becomes the local area network. Then when it comes to city, between cities, it becomes the metropolitan area network. Then the regional basis, or even the wide, say, global basis, then it becomes the wide area network. This is the highest form of the network which we have. So wide area network. So let me tell you again. First, personal area network, then you have local area network, then metropolitan area network, then wide area network. What does ASAP stands for in SMS language? So now we have chatting and SMS going on, and every almost every talk is done on SMS or chat. So ASAP and all these kind of short forms are popular mainly in the younger age. So it's better to learn all these so that we understand what the other person is intending to say. So short messaging service in this ASAP is as soon as possible. ASAP, we call it as ASAP, as soon as possible. So I would like to give you more of these, so that these are some SMS abbreviations. For example, someone has written F8, that is fate. FC is for finger crossed. FOAF for friend of a friend. GF is girlfriend. Great is great, of course. And HAK is hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses. And then hand is for have a nice day. HRU is how are you. IC is I see. IDC is I don't care. IDK is I don't know. ILU and ILY is I love you. I am you is I miss you. IRL is in real life. J oblique K, that is just kidding. JC is just checking. And then we have JTLYK, just to let you know. And then KFI is kiss for you. KMN is kill me now. Why this is there, I don't know. But later, L8R, later. And then LOL, laughing out loud. ROFL is also there. LTNS is long time no see. M8 is mate. MOF is male or female. MTF BFY, that is may the force be with you. MTF BWY. MUS I miss you. MYOB is mind your own business. NAZ is for name, address and zip. NC is no comment. And NIMBY is not in my backyard. What is a shortcut key for select all command? So there are certain keys combination we generally use. Normally we use. It's Control C for copying. If you have a content, you can just select this using your mouse or your keyboard, and then you can just copy it. So that copy will be saved in the clipboard. That is called clipboard. In order to select all of these, whatever content you have in Word or any other document, Control A is there. Then you want to paste what you have copied, you use Control V. That is, Control V has to be pressed together. In copy, that content will not be deleted, but in Control X, the content will be cut and then will be pasted. So the content will be deleted. Now you'll be able to answer this also. What is the shortcut key for paste command? Paste command is for Control V. So these are all the commands for your reference. What is the cell address of fourth row and fourth column? Fourth row and fourth column. So the answer is D4. You'll just know how this is. See, this is a picture of an Excel instance. So this instance, if we talk about, this is what? This is 2. So this is the row. So this is 2 is the row. And what is the column here? Okay. So basically the 36520 is at E2. Okay. Now here you see there is a formula is equal to C2 into D2. So C2 is what? This C is the column, 2 is the row. So C2 into D is the column, this one, C and D, and this is the row, 2. So C2 into D2, that will be computed and put it in E2. So what I'm trying to suggest here is fourth row, fourth column. So the rows will be known by number, numeral, and the column will be known by letters. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, say rows, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be named as 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be A, B, C, D. So what will be the 4 cross section, means where they intersect? D4. First the letter is written and then the number is written. So D4 is the answer. What is the default name of a newly created folder in Windows? So whenever you create a new folder, the name of new folder is new folder only. You can always change the name whenever you want. What is the expansion of FYI? We have already seen a lot of abbreviations. So FYI is generally used for your information. FYI, for your information. This is used in SMS, in WhatsApp, in Hike, in Line, all these messengers we use generally. Which one is not a storage device? So if you see the first one, printer is the printing device. It's an output device. Videotape, of course, when we take the backup, we use videotape. The USB flash drive is, of course, your pen drive. And memory card, what you use in different gadgets and of course, your mobile also. So all these three, which are later coming, they are storage device. But the printer is not a storage device. So all these storage devices are there. Okay. It can be your USB flash drive. It can be your PC card, it can be smart card, flash memory card, hard drive, external hard drive, CD, DVD, internal hard drive, all these are storage devices. Printer is not. Which one is the disadvantage of social networking sites? Social networking sites are very popular, everyone uses it, you, me, everyone are on one or the other social networking site. Facebook, Instagram, microblogging, also you can include Twitter. Now, which one is the disadvantage? See, instant communication, access to information, online marketing for business, they are good. But making addictive, you become addictive. Every time you have to have a story, you have to respond. All these things are going on, especially in the young generation. So they are not giving proper time to their work rather than going here. Where all deleted files will be stored? So whenever you delete a file in a window or in any operating system, so sometimes somewhere it is called as recycle bin, somewhere it is called as a trash. So there's a different name. So if we stick to Windows, because what would you do? The waste at your house, you will put it in a bin. So that is a recycle bin. So that is what happens in computer also. That is, you take that, delete that, it will be put in the recycle bin, and when you delete from the recycle bin, it will be wiped out from your system. This is how the icon is seen when you put the and there will be when you delete a file, there will be indication that you have deleted some stuff. Which device is used to connect telephone line to a PC? So telephone line is normally analog and the PC is digital. So in order to convert this digital to analog and analog to digital, we need a modem. Modem is a modulator, demodulator. So modem basically it performs a function of modulation or demodulation normally used in dial-up internet connection, which you see here, telephone line connected to a PC. Okay. So there are two parts here. Computer only learns and understands the digital data. Telephone lines, they are generally having the analog kind of data. So modulator enables computer to interpret data received from a network, and demodulator allows a modem to send information formatted to be read by the network computers. So if you have a PC and there is a telephone line, you ought to have a conversion between these two, and that is done by the modem. This is how the device is seen. Which one is a don't of information security? Information security is all about securing yourself from cyber crime, cyber threats, cyber fraud. So, what is important? If you disclose the password to anyone, you are not giving anything to the information security. Don't disclose your password, because if you give the keys of the lock of your house to anyone, then how can you be sure that it will be safe? Right? So guessing the house password, take backup data of your PC periodically, encrypt laptop, hard drive, and mobile devices. These are do's. Maybe do's, but don't is you never share your password with anyone. You know. So because that will be used, and even people call and they use psychological tricks and social engineering to fool people. Which one is a cyber crime? Cyber crime. See, sending an email is not a problem. Online purchasing, you can purchase whatever, whenever you want. Chatting with friends is always advisable, to be free, to be lively. What about online gambling? There may be some legal gambling, but if you are doing online gambling which is illegal, then it's a cyber crime. Especially in certain countries, developing countries, these are considered to be cybercrime if they are not contained under law. So they are illegal. So online gambling. Which one is a file management tool that comes with Windows? So in order to manage a file, in every operating system, file is the content is managed as a file in a folder. So if you see here, this is a Windows Explorer. So you have different drives, then you go to the drive, there are different folders, you go to the different folders, and then you have files. So this is the hierarchy, and that is shown by your Windows Explorer. There are so many options which you can do here. Which one is a search engine? Search engine. Search engine means you want to search something, you will put some content or write some words or phrases, and that content or relevant link will come to you. And that is done through Google. There are so many. I'll just show you. Flickr is basically image related. Hotmail is email, and Facebook is a social media, social networking site. So only Google is not there. There's so many. Maybe we are not using it. If you go to China, it is only Baidu. So you have Yahoo, Ask, Google, DuckDuckGo, Wolfram Alpha, Bing from Microsoft, AOL.com. They all are the search engine. They are all the algorithms behind, so that they search all the web and give you all the information you want or the link you want. Crawling and dictionary, all these things goes in the background algorithms. Which one is a social networking site? So Facebook, this is how you connect to your friends, to your loved ones. You share your information, you share your images, and people like them and they know what you're doing, and likewise. So this is social networking site. This is how you make friends. This is how you make relationships. So this is Facebook. Answer is Facebook. So these are all, somewhere or the other, they are to connect people. All these, in the picture what you see. Which one is a web browser? Web browser? So web browser is a software application through which you can access website, web pages, web content, web applications, web services. So these are web browser. So web browser are the program which are very helpful to us. We access everything through this only. That is how we are connected to internet. But now we have the applications now, web apps that can directly access the data through it. Okay. So basically for web it is www. For example, the answer is Internet Explorer. You see you have Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. Mozilla Firefox is free and open source. Google Chrome is from Google. There's so many, These are just a few glimpses I showed you. Which one is an input device? Input means where the data is inputted. The computer gets the data from input. So joystick. Joystick is one of the kind of input normally used in gaming, but speaker sound is coming, monitor say display is coming, printer the digital data is converted into a physical paper printing. So these are all output devices. Joystick is an input device. Now which one is the output device of the computer? As I just suggested, printer is going to give you output. Mic, you input sound. Mouse, you click. Keyboard, you input through your hand. So output devices, if we want to have a glimpse, mouse, the camera, the mic, and the gaming inputs, the storage, the pen drive, these are all inputs to your computer. And output are what? Wherever you see and get the output, that is printers, the display units, the speakers, the earphones, the headphones. So these are input and output devices. Which one of the following options shows the synonym for a word? We type in MS Word. So whenever we type a word and then we say Shift F7, we select a word, press Shift F7, or rather you can right click and just press Thusaurus. So the Thusaurus is the answer. Okay. For example, if your word say hyperlink, you want to see the Paryavachi, or you can want to say synonyms. So you will go to Thusaurus. A is the answer here. So Thusaurus is, you can say, online dictionary where you get the word and all the word which are related to this word. Even if you want to use it in different sense or sentences, it is also there. And also you have the antonyms. So now in your document, if you want to change the word, you don't want to repeat the word, this is the best way you can do. And it is very handy, very helpful. So this is the Thusaurus. We call it as Thusaurus. Antonym, synonym, you both get. So you will get the variety of words here through Thusaurus. Okay. So I hope you will be able to use Shift F7 you'll use. You draw rupees 500 from an ATM. The ATM money machine gives you rupees 5,000. Which of the following would be ethically correct? See, if you are a good family, if you have been treated well, you have been so taught well, your upbringing is good, you will just give this money back. How do you do this? You make a complaint. Because becoming a good person is very difficult. So in order to, whenever you get a money which is extra, which you have not earned, just make a complaint, give it to because taking the money, dropping the money near ATM, giving the money to the poor, they are not the ideal way to give it back. Because 4,500 doesn't belong to you. So this is someone has earned. So you have to give it back. So make a complaint. Okay, this is all about this discussion. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.